Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hello and welcome to Let's Talk Comfort Sessions. Eid Mubarak to everyone who are celebrating across the world. And it's a somber Eid because we have had coronavirus tragedy all across the world और उसके अलावा जो PIA का plane crash हुआ. So that has dampened our Eid spirits. लेकिन it's a occasion that comes after 30 days of fasting. So we'll try to be a little bit more casual, a little bit more joyful for people who have had a rough time during this quarantine and during this corona as well. So hope everyone is having a good Eid, a safe Eid, and hope you guys are staying put, hope you guys are staying inside, and hope you guys are not venturing out unnecessarily to keep yourself safe. आज का जो हमारा लेट्स टॉक है इट्स धूप किनारे स्पेशल वी हैव अ वेरी special guest with us today. She came, she saw, she conquered is what the phrase I would use कि जब उन्होंने एक्टिंग का आगाज़ किया पीटीवी से तो उनकी पहली परफॉर्मेंस ने ही जो है वो अपना एक मार्क सेट किया and then after that she performed some amazing in some amazing serials and उनकी जो एक्टिंग और उनका जो एक अंदाज़ था उसने सामीन के दिल में पूरी दुनिया में ना सिर्फ पाकिस्तान बल्कि इंडिया में across the border and across the world has made a special place because of her acting, her natural style of acting. So I'm talking about none other than Marina Khan. So we're very fortunate that she's here with us on Eid Day. I'm going to just... Hello, Keksha. Glad you joined.
Connected.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, Eid Mubarak?
Sorry, not a good. I don't think this year we can really celebrate Eid, but I guess I think the people who are celebrating it, that I hope they're enjoying themselves.
Yes, exactly. बस इस तरह ही है वही मैं कह रहा था it's a very somber Eid लेकिन we have to have as much joy as possible आजकल के दौर में.
I think a little respect to the families who've lost lives in the plane crash. I think उसमें हमें थोड़ा
Yeah.
But I think to each their own. No.
Exactly. नहीं, exactly. It's a very, very tough. बिल्कुल हुआ भी ईद से 2 दिन पहले. So it was a very tough end of Ramzan and start of Ramzan because of Corona and end of Ramzan because of the crash.
Yeah. It's been a tough year.
Yes.
But let's see. I think these are all tests for all of us for humanity because हम जितना world को destroy कर रहे हैं, तो I think nature ने कहा कि चलो तुम आराम से बैठो थोड़ी देर.
Let me get back to you.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
Exactly. चले, how are you been और आपका कैसा quarantine चल रहा है? You've been working, shooting, so how is that going?
We just started. Abhi, I think about 5 or 6 days but there's talk there's going to be a lockdown again, so I don't know if it news. But quarantine has been good actually. A dog adopted us. So,
wow.
Yeah, and I have 6 cats, and they're old cats. They're very calm. Cats are not excitable creatures, and I have had a dog for a while. I've forgotten what a puppy is like.
It's a puppy.
Well, he's about 8. तो उसमें इतनी एनर्जी है, मेरी बिल्लियां तो मुझे गालियां दे रही होंगी रोज की, क्या ले आई हो घर. So just when this dog came, and I feel I need to spend more time with him to get him used to the house, and and also at the same time I'm trying to find a home for him. But let's see. The last month of quarantine just went with this dog, and just waking up because वो routine बन जाती है ना. He forced me to get routine.
बिल्कुल. You know, dogs are very active, especially they require a lot more attention than cats do. Cats तो कहती हैं हमारी जान छोड़ दो और हमें leave us alone.
हाँ, dogs are demanding. You know, like I said, when भूल गई थी, because my last the dog I had, obviously he'd also become old. He was unlike any other that he was almost like a cat. He's a big fellow, but he somehow was not very, you know, हम घर आते थे, बैठा होता था, हमें देखता था, अच्छा आ गए लोग, ठीक है. You know, but this one, moment you go out, he's like jumping all over the place. Right? And I keep telling him, I said, I'm not that young anymore. I'm an old woman.
Yeah, they make their presence felt.
Yes. I learned a very interesting thing, that if a dog is very excitable when he sees you, you just know him. You have to no eye contact, no touching, and no voice. So you just ignore him, and that has helped. That's really helped.
That is true. That is true. I have a cat and 2 cats and 1 dog, so I know what you're talking about.
But your dog must have grown up with cats, right?
Yeah. No. Actually, so cats came after. So he's very fond of the cat, but the cat is not fond of the dog.
Cats came when they were tiny, or they?
Yeah.
हाँ.
They were tiny.
Then if he was a small dog, I wouldn't have had a problem. वो आया कोई 8 महीने का और है भी गली का, so उस energy level is just. But let's see.
Let's see. So thank you very much for giving us time. I know you have a crazy schedule. We appreciate you joined this comfort session that we have started for people who are going through this quarantine and all this negativity around us. So we appreciate you giving us time for this.
Most welcome. Not that busy. It's just that वो 2-3 चीजें कभी-कभी ऊपर हो जाती हैं, but otherwise, you know, one is just around.
Sure.
Yeah.
So let's start with your amazing, career. आपने start किया, I remember वो Rashid Minhas का drama था.
Yes.
So how did that come about? Like, वो किस तरह, like it just landed, or like you were actively looking for work, or you wanted to be in there, or कैसे हुआ?
You know, the interesting thing is that Kehkashan का interview मैं उस दिन देख रही थी. I haven't seen the whole thing. I'm really looking forward.
She's here in the session right now.
Achha, hey, how are you? So she actually is the reason I'm acting. So Kehkashan was on television before me. She was very interested in and for all of you all don't know, she also was very fond of singing at one. So when Kehkashan used to go to the station, obviously we've grown up watching television, and that was it was a passion, because I think जब से TV आया है, वो from the time of transmission till the end of transmission, we used to watch television, and I was the kind of person, exams भी होते थे लेकिन अपना program नहीं miss करती थी. So fascination थी television के साथ. So when Kehkashan went there, there was an opportunity जाके देखे जी TV station. So I was with Kehkashan. I think it was Jungle or it was Asman Tak Deewar. I can't remember.
Jungle. I think Jungle.
So उन दिनों में, God bless him, Shehzad Khalil, who directed Tanhaiya, and three plays I was, Rashid Minhas, Tanhaiya, and I can't remember. Wow, Grey Cells.
Tanhaiya, Rashid Minhas.
And he did another one, Ehsaas. These are the 3. So he was for a new face, and both Kehkashan and I went to audition for Rashid Minhas. And I think Kehkashan, because she's already doing this, and so he says, "Aap kar loge?" मैंने कहा acting नहीं की.
Just like that.
Yeah, and I obviously, because you don't know what it's about. I mean, little bit that one learned was from Kehkashan, and he said, "Don't worry, that's my job." And I said, "I don't know. My Urdu was really weak, so I said, I don't know how to." He says, "Don't." Then he gave me like 20 examples of people who, Roman में करते थे. Not that I did it in Roman, but he gave me all these examples. So that's how I landed in television, and it was through Like shower.
Mm. वो मेरे ख्याल में you have that girl next door kind of a personality. तो वो I think for Rashid Minhas it was a perfect fit, and then
Prob-
you know धूप किनारे and
हाँ.
तन्हाइयाँ.
Also, the thing was that television, like we have now, because you don't have any scouts and there are no, what you may call it, there are no agencies which go out and
Yeah.
get who are interested. So they were constantly looking for new faces, constantly
Mm.
looking. So I think
Mm.
because he was already doing something, so
Mm.
he just gave me a chance. He was an amazing person. He
Mm.
was
Yeah.
just one fantastic human being.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. He
Well,
created some amazing art in PTV. एक वो निसार हुसैन साहब,
yes.
him, and there was a couple of more like amazing 80s में. अब उस दिन कहकशां से भी जब बात हो रहा था, मैं आपसे भी पूछूंगा कि 80s में अब जिस तरह I mean like we'll come to धूप किनारे in a little bit, लेकिन when you started it was a very different era, and the writing style was such a, जिस तरह राशिद मिन्हास को भी देखें, like उसका climax is such a emotional climax, right? Because obviously it's a event we are depicting और वो दिखा रहे हैं कि किस तरह हुआ, लेकिन
Yeah.
the lead up to it is so calm and so settled. लेकिन आजकल की ड्रामों में like it's everything is such a hurry कि they are so जिसे कहते हैं वो होता है कि उनको जल्दी होती है कि हमें बस पसंद कर लो. They don't let you settle. तो क्या वजह है आपके ख्याल में? Why is this?
देखिए, I know nothing about literature. I can't say, and I don't want to step on anyone's toes, but I do feel education has a huge um, part. I think the people who were in television in those days started. They were all trained people, so they somehow knew the graft of storytelling, I think. Um, आज का ज़माना is rating. I think now we have reached a place where हमने बहुत सारी कहानियां चुराई हैं. हमने बहुत सारी कहानियां, अगर हमने अपनी like if you read खुदा की बस्ती, that's so nice, and it's so fantastic. I mean, it's just you just get involved in that, and there is a love story there, and there's so much there. But now I think just because meter, these gimmickries that we have, which people are using all over the world, but there is a genuine education in the craft all over the world. We are still hitting it. I think we have evolved in many respects, but I think we have lost the art from the craft. I think now it's a question of हम क्या सकते हैं, हम व्यूअरशिप कैसे ला सकते हैं, हम अट्रैक्शन कैसे कर सकते हैं. स्टोरी टेलिंग खत्म हो गई है.
Storytelling खत्म हो गई. That's a correct analogy.
They're events. There are no characters. We don't write characters anymore. अगर आपको भी कैरेक्टर नजर आता है तो वो माफी के साथ मैं to the writers out there, I don't want to take anything away from them. वो डायरेक्टर या एक थोड़ी सी एफर्ट करता है, या एक्टर खुद थोड़ी सी एफर्ट करता है, बट स्टोरी टेलिंग गाइड. अच्छा, एक ऑल्सो इट्स नॉट ऑल्सो द राइटर्स. वो कहते हैं कि हमें एक महीने में आप पूरा सीरियल लिख के दे दें. अब कैसे कर सकते हो? So that's possible. So they will take half an क्या कहते हैं, अगर हम से 15 एपिसोड्स कर रहे हैं या 26 एपिसोड्स कर रहे हैं, तो 5-6 एपिसोड की जाती हैं, then we go shoot. Now there's no time for correction, for rewrites, for anything. So it's not totally the right thought. The whole system has just become so commercialized.
Yeah.
And, the art of it has sort of. Yet they are very good plays also that we are doing, so I can't take away from that. And the sad thing is that the ones that you think are not any business do such good business.
Yeah.
They become the norm, and then people start rushing up that type of topic.
True,
So it's
true. मैं आप साथ साथ बताता फिर हूँ आपके a lot of fans from India and Pakistan are here, especially India से मैं पहले बता दूँ. Sharmistha is here from, she's a very good singer from Mumbai, she's from Bengal, but she's here. She's saying she's a big fan of you. Rekha Bhardwaj, she's a great singer. उन्होंने भी
what
आज tweet की हुई
I
थी.
know very
Yeah,
well.
yeah. She always writes about you. Okay, I mean, like मैं उन्हें बताता रहता हूँ, she's a good friend, तो वो she's always a big fan. फिर there's a lot of people. फिर Rajesh Malhotra is here from Chennai. So a lot of fans from across the border are here for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you
And
for
London, say Kamran is here from London. So there's a lot of people, saying hello to you. जो आप बात कर रही थी ना वो, I mean, like, it's absolutely right. जिस तरह आप अगर आप पहली films भी देखें, जिस तरह Godfather, it develops so slowly because the characters then develop within you. Like you feel that association. There is no rush. Just like relationships, like you cannot rush them. Like you have to let them develop. So storytelling is somehow, in my humble opinion, it's the same way. The only characters that stick with you are the ones that get developed. They simmer. They don't
yeah.
they don't boil. They let it simmer.
Well, if I think if you see our plays now, we really have character. You know, there are no Hasnat Bhais or like Kabacha. Even though he was one character, but there was a character there. How he walked, how he talked. There was something about him that was different. Anything that was happening at that time, which meant that one worked on that. If you take Arman, I don't know why I keep going back to Arman, the movie, which was
Wahid
amazing.
Murad.
I
Yeah.
think
अकेले न जाना.
it from this happy go lucky film, it just becomes this really dark film. And after interval is like the story really begins. And
Yeah.
again, you got on board with those characters. You got on board with the story. You got on board with
You feel what they're going through.
yes. No, I just feel that I think when we don't know like when you drive a car or anything you do, there's a lot of responsibility that goes along with that job. With our job, it's the same thing. There is a lot of responsibilities, but you can only know those, keep them somewhere if they're taught to you, or if, not to say that there's some natural born actors, there's some actors who start and then they become better. Same with directors, same thing with I think with, but still when you take that step to come into a particular field, I feel that then you need to give it to your. You can't say अब मैं आ गया हूँ, अब मैं मशहूर हो गया हूँ और अब I can relax. No, you can't relax. Our learning process कभी खत्म नहीं होती. And
Correct.
I think when you become the star, whether it's a writer or anyone, when you stop making the effort is where I think you die. But some of the others,
If you stop evolving, you have to keep evolving.
Absolutely, because I think every day you go on set, you're learning something new. These days it gets frustrating, and गर्मी होती है, गर्मी में हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, पसीनों में काम कर रहे होते हैं, but it's, you've signed up for it.
Yeah, it's part and parcel of it.
Yeah, you're responsible. ठीक है, थोड़ी सी चू कर लें, okay, but you can't say कि भाई नहीं हो सकता, फिर आप ना करें, आप कहो कि भाई ये हमने काम नहीं करना, या हमने सर्दियों में काम नहीं करना, सर्दी ज्यादा लगती, गर्मी. But time, I think it is the responsibility of producers to provide you with the decent environment that you can. But
Yeah. So let's come to the main, the Dhoop Kinare and Tanhaiya. So how did that happen? Like, did you have any idea that it's going to become this big, and it's going to have like generations and generations follow the characters and just go gaga over the romance and all that?
at all, not at all. I remember Behroz, God bless him. He the day before it was launched, Keksha and I had gone, I think, to Board Basin. We were coming back from having chaat, pan, and stuff. And he stopped us and he says, Marina, तुम इतने आराम से आजकल फिर रही हो ना, कल से तुम्हारी जिंदगी अपसाइड डाउन होने वाली है. मैंने कहा हाँ हाँ हाँ.
You were right.
I literally went to sleep and woke up to a different, especially when it came, you know, because I remember shooting the first 3 episodes. We were at the airport, and people were recognizing Shanaz, but they didn't know who the hell I was, and you know, because I was roaming around with her, and
Yeah.
like Dadsab did it very, very intelligently. He hid the camera, you know, in the car, and you know, so थोड़ा बहुत वो, लेकिन वो इतनी जल्दी हो गया कि, but I think if Tanhaiya was on, and then when we had gone to the airport to shoot, I don't think we would ever have been able to.
True. So how did it hit you? जब आपने start किया, so when was the point that it hit you कि oh my God, now I am something, you know, someone that you know just का एक बन गया एक stature. Like आपका first autograph, like what was?
I don't think it's yet. I do remember. I remember a very daunting day in Sharjah. We were invited by Bukhatir to attend the Sharjah matches.
Correct.
Straight after Tanhaiya, and Shanaz and I remember came out of the stadium, and we got in the car, and within seconds from day to night, because the car was just swamped by people.
Wow.
And started shaking, and I was that day. I think you felt the effect.
Power of the character.
Yeah. That I remember very clearly.
So if you have to like, I mean, like I know it's both are amazing characters. लेकिन अभी एक question आया था, सहर खुर्शीद ने पूछा था, like which one would you most relate to, Dhruv Kanayar or Tanhaiya?
Tanhaiya. I think Tanhaiya, for many reasons, a happy-go-lucky person. I think that I'm not a romantic person at all. The toughest thing to romance a man who you've been idolizing all your life. So Tanhaiya.
But it was a very subtle romance.
I know, but it was scary. Tanhaiya, carefree. You know, the things I got to do, you know, like throw water on people, break plates, or whatever it was. You know, that was just so much fun, and there was nothing attached to, you know, there was no competition. Except obviously, thoda rona dhona tha. But Dhruv Kanayar was much more challenging for me because it was.
Oh yeah.
Initially, it was all, you know, she was a fun-loving kind of a character. But the romance part of it was like...
Yeah. Because even that got built. That was not there. I remember that scene. बल्कि I'll ask you, वो एक scene है वो जब आप लोग उधर गांव में गए हैं राहत साहब के साथ और वो जो he's gonna ask you कि आए मैं आपका हाथ आपको गिरने नहीं दूंगा. When that title track comes, रात में दिल में तेरी.
Yeah.
Do you remember that day?
Yes. Oh yes. I remember that day very clearly because both Raat and I were grumbling. कहाँ खेतों में ले जा रहे हैं कोई पंजाबी production तो you know, like Hasina Appa was so upset with us that why they got my play. हमने कहा ये क्या romance आप हमारे. So, but Saira very intelligently did the scene twice. She did it once with the hand holding and once without. Again, Dhruv Kanayar, both my plays, I think both Shehzad and Saira Kazmi, both such strong directors that I think I just got very lucky. I was very lucky that I got to work with both.
उस जमाने में जब ये होता था, like when they were shooting that scene और पीछे ये आना है OST ये रात यूं दिल में तेरी, तो वो किस पे बजाते थे कि भाई this is now you have to play on कि भाई.
No. We were just
नहीं बजाते थे.
Oh, Sarah, that was all in editing.
Oh, अच्छा.
सायरा के माइंड में एक मशीन चल रही थी कि अब ये
So you didn't even know that this is gonna come at this point.
No, she was so clever. She was so sneaky. Like she took me to board meetings, I remember, and she said, "Acha, now you stand here and you just look across, you know, the water, and just as if you're remembering something." And when she put it on air, she put clips of Rahat in between. I was so angry.
That is amazing.
In England, I think she's saying.
Lekin wo, that OST, that scene is like, you know, a remarkable scene. That scene is a remarkable scene. कि जो वो जो Arshad Mahmood साहब, he was a guest on the show, so I made him sing that. मैंने कहा यार क्या आपने track बनाया है? So you have to sing that for us. So he was very kind to sing that for us. It was very very nicely done. तो उसमें sorry go ahead.
Please carry no carry on.
अच्छा, मैंने कहा उसका कोई धूप किनारे का कोई हमें कोई मेमोरेबल टाइम बताएं शूटिंग का, like you know that something that sticks even today that makes you smile.
Wow, I'm trying to remember.
वो जो सीन था, एक मिनट मैं आपको पूछता हूँ, एंड में जब वो जनाब अपने घर आते हैं और आपने उन्हें घर भेज दिया या वो जो हो गई ट्रांजैक्शन, when you are dreaming it's him, जब आप हाथ आगे करती हैं and like you know you think it's him but he's not, but then he appears and he runs to you. वो एक फिल्मी सीन टोटल बना दिया था ड्रामे में, when he's wearing those puff shirt, वो जो उसका सारा exactly. So how was that day? वो कैसा गया? उसमें कितनी takes में हुआ था वो भागने वाला सीन?
वो I can't remember कितनी takes में हुआ था, लेकिन it had to be quick because the sun was setting and you were losing light, and I remember because by the time I think we got to the farm, either there was a puncture or there was some reason we got to the farm.
Whose farm was it? वो किसका farm?
Someone Saira knew. And क्या कहते हैं, and I remember that by the time this happened, because Saira wanted the impact and she couldn't get many angles. I think she got the Nuruddin, who was our cameraman, put it on the shoulder because the light was just going. So that's why we got that, you know, that the shot of us. And believe me, we had machhars in the light.
The best romance with machhars roaming around. इससे अच्छा क्या रोमांस होगा? एक तरफ वो हीरो और एक तरफ मच्छर खून चूस रहे हैं. That's awesome. That's awesome. अच्छा, so आपने उसके बाद काफी break ले ली. Why was that? Like you just wanted to like take a back seat, relax, or what?
Tough question. No, actually, I actually woke up one day and I told myself that I don't enjoy it. I don't enjoy it. I like to watch very good acting, but and I think when we away from PTV, you know, the choices were very, like I said, I was very, very spoiled by working, you know, with very good directors. So I think the choices were limited. Then the stuff started changing, the kind of contact So then I just started, I decided that, you know, to make it little better, maybe I'll start directing. So then just started directing. So that for about 10 years, I think I directed. So and you know, that whole makeup ye wo, and then you know there's a very ego centric side to this field, and also the privacy. You lose a lot of your privacy.
Yeah, so you become become public property.
Yeah, you do. And if you're prepared, fine. You know, I was just totally not prepared for it, and you know, up to a point it's fine, and after a while, you know, but you know, unfortunately in Pakistan it just doesn't go away because you know both those things are so iconic.
Yeah.
You know, then young kids come up to me now and I'm like, wait a second, you were not born. You must be born. And they say, oh, My mama made me watch it.
Yeah, no, that I mean, like those both of those plays, like have literally like there's no generation barrier to it. Like people from all so you were mashallah very lucky to perform such amazingly in these plays कि जो कि कहाँ मिलता है लोग इतने इतने plays कर जाते हैं लेकिन उसके बाद भी
Yeah,
इतनी recognition नहीं
yeah. I was very
होती.
lucky. Very, very
Yeah.
lucky. Because people still call me Sanya. They still call me name, like, Sanya,
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it's been 30 years.
Yeah. Kehkashan was telling me that you used to design all her clothes. She had no idea what you were doing.
There's so many things she said I didn't remember, and then especially the driving wala baat, mujhe bilkul yaad hai, and I must call her up and chat about it because
Yeah.
there must be so many things that we did that I remember TJ's was the
TJs.
gentleman who our clothes, na. तो we used to be very anti the patti because हम लोग. So I remember go for our trials and all that. So we used to try and tell him कि नहीं इसको जरा, and also to differentiate between me and her. Obviously different characters.
Correct.
So, but I
Correct.
don't really remember this, but I have to ask her because that right really sounds like.
Yes. No, that started a new fashion trend. TJs was उस जमाने में इन ड्रामों की वजह से it became so popular, and the kind of clothes, those pattis and like those all those things. So that was like you guys started that trend.
Yeah, because I think the moment we would wear one of the outfits, I think in his shop they would just they'd be. And I remember we were very anti it because it was very unlike our normal shalwar kameez and everything. And हमने कहा कहाँ है और ये कहाँ है वो कहाँ है. And उस वक्त हम इतने चूंचा करते हैं. But now when I look at it, and I remember my father loved them. He felt that I only wear TJs and nothing. Now when I look at it, his cuts were just so fantastic. He was
It
such
was for that time. He set the trend. He set the trend.
Yeah, and it was a total fusion between East and West, the way he designing. But what amazing!
It was. So do you think उसे कहते हैं धूप किनारे में like जो एक जिस तरह हम अभी बात कर रहे थे कि it develops so it makes sense at the end when you guys end up being together.
Yeah.
Do you think that age of innocence is over in romance, in art and in film? Because now everything is like so, in your face. Like जो एक age, as a audience, the only reason I remember your character is because of that innocence that came with it. Because you recognize that at that time when you're growing up, जब मैं teenager में enter हो रहा हूँगा जब आया है drama. So you recognize because you go through that, because that confusion, कि भाई क्या है, crush है, प्यार है, क्या है. So do you think कि आजकल के दौर में, because you're not a romantic person, so I really want to ask this, do you think कि ये age of innocence is over? और और हमको change हो गए हैं, ये अभी है, exist करती है.
I think अगर हम ड्रामे में बात कर रहे हैं तो उन्होंने तो बहुत पहले खत्म कर दिया था. But I don't really think it's over because I think we still live in quite a conservative environment where girls are not that exposed to boys, co-educated. So I think है, लेकिन वो नजर में नहीं आ रहा because nobody's telling those stories. Nobody's telling those stories. Plus, I think if it has gone, because in the drama, so there, we've just done away with romance. Actually, it's not like we don't show. I think that's Humsafar was so popular. I think it was just raw chemistry. These two characters who came together eventually under the circumstances that they were thrown together. And I think how their romance developed, and I think again I give Sarmat a lot of credit for that. So I think that's why that play, because you don't see that kind of You don't see romance like that. So I think yes, and I think also the other one which was very nice was also Fawad and Sanam. I can't remember. Sultana
Satke
Siddiqui.
Tumhare,
No. Satke Tumhare.
something
I
like
did.
that.
नहीं, ये सुल्ताना सिद्दीकी ने डायरेक्ट किया था. उसमें भी
Okay.
she's a strong girl. She's a very strong person, and you know he's so उसमें भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. Way their relationship was handled. Our problem right now is that we have too many characters, or I don't know.
जिंदगी गुलजार है, सहर खुर्शीद has said.
Exactly. So and both these plays did really well. And I personally think one of the reasons is that there was this subtle romance. It was a subtle
I think
romance.
you should direct something now, ताकि you can bring that time back, तन्हाइयाँ धूप किनारे time back.
I would, but channels don't accept that anymore. No? Channels
YouTube पे
are,
कर दें, अब तो YouTube का जमाना है.
that's true. That is
YouTube,
true.
I'm telling you, if you do it, it will get amazing traction because they know where it will be coming from.
I shall definitely. I do have a story going on in my mind. Let's see.
आगे क्या अभी, like, what are your अभी आगे, is there something we can look forward to, like that you working on yourself directing?
No, I've gone back to acting because direction also has now become so, like too many cooks. You can't get the cast of your choice. The story. You can't manipulate the story too. I can't direct too much, because I feel that life is not one-sided. There is where there is tragedy. There is a lot happiness also. So that's why also I felt that there was too many cooks. There were
Spoiling the broth.
And for what reason I don't know. And I just got little disappointed. So I thought the easiest thing to do right now is come back to acting because now and मुझे कोई romance नहीं करवाएगा.
You never know. See, right now, इतनी एक change हो गई दुनिया. You never know.
I'm doing a play right now called the working title is called Maa Baap, and who I've done so many. He's written so many plays that I've directed, and this is the first time together as a husband and wife. So उसमें जिसमें Ahmed has to romance and he was क्या करना.
Correct. When you were like Dhoop Kinare or Tanhaiyan ki, the second last question before I let you go, I know you have another interview coming up. India se ya aur kahin se, I mean, like, I'm sure you got offers to do some film or something.
Yes, by the way, the other interview is not happening, so मैंने कहा मैं आपको बता दूं.
Okay.
I remember we met got Raj Kapoor in
from Raj Kapoor.
Yeah.
Wow.
In Sharjah, and I think us time pe they were working on Hina was the movie.
Hina, Zeba Bakhtiar.
Yeah, so I think I was too naive. Plus, I think my father was in the Air Force, so I think visa ka koi chakkar वगैरह था. So, but also a little too naive. Also, I think I really botched it up. And
that would have been something.
Huh?
That would have been something.
Maybe not. I don't know. And recently there was I'm so bad with names. I'm so sorry. And I was about to fly out, and my father passed away. So that that was a Raj. Yes, Raj. Yes.
Yes, Raj.
Huh? Yes. So
when was this?
This was recently. This 2012.
Oh, this is just very recent. 8 years.
Yeah. And it was a doctor's role, and I think they had Dr. Zoya in their minds. So
Yes.
I spoke to Aditya, I think his son's name.
Yeah, Aditya. It's a son of Yash Chopra.
Yash Chopra ji. So,
Yeah.
again, I think we were very fortunate that after that, because visas वगैरह हो गए थे, so then after about, I think, then we did fly out to India, and I got to go when we did, and I was very fortunate, and I think I was very blessed
Mm.
before he passed away, and had a lovely, lovely morning with them. So that was,
Mm.
I
Yeah,
can't
he was a king of romance director. I mean,
yes,
like, you know, Chandni, Lamhe, all these films are classic films by him. Silsila,
yes,
you know.
yes. Took him a whole
So,
bunch from from here,
yeah,
especially in those who had done
yeah.
really well.
Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. All of these are Yash Raj banner.
Yes, yes,
Mm.
and the studio, and we did the whole tour. It was really nice. It was a wonderful,
Mm.
wonderful.
So that was your last trip.
That was my last trip to India. Yeah, I did India a television play called
Oh,
Tanha.
really?
That was, oh gosh, when was that? Ooh, key? I can't remember. It
It
was
was like
that.
recent.
Why? No, 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 no. A while ago. While ago.
Acha.
We were still in Seaview at that time. No, no, we were in this, or we just moved to this house. Probably in
Okay.
the 90s, the late 90s, in the late 90s,
Okay.
I think. So, Sajid, myself, in fact, Hasina Appa wrote it for them. Hasina Appa
Acha.
wrote, and it was a bit of a sort of Dhoop Kinare kind of a character, older man, younger, girl.
Mm. Mm.
And I went there, and unfortunately, I had to come back, and I couldn't join them again. But I did about a month's worth of shoot with them.
Acha,
Yeah.
acha. That's great. I didn't know about that, so I'll have to search it up.
So why?
So before we let you go, you are very fond of animals. You're also part of WWF.
Yes, I was the ambassador for a while. I don't think I did too much for them,
Did you
but
meet any pandas?
learned a lot, huh?
Did you
Sorry?
meet any pandas?
No. But I did go to Sakhar and
Acha.
did that, the famous boat ride, and I saw the blind dolphin. So that was
Blind
very,
dolphins.
yeah, that was amazing. That was amazing. But yeah, I learned a lot I learned a lot about ourselves, and
Mm.
and
Mm.
what we have, and
Yeah.
yeah, I do love animals.
Correct. So we have a ritual of the show. Either you have to sing a line of a song, or either you tell us a verse, a poetry, something that you love. So, which
Oh,
one will it be?
I
I
don't know
have.
at all. And I
See,
can't
you
even
are Zoya right now, so you have to come into that zone. A lot of people are watching, and they're like, they want to see that romantic Zoya.
oh,
You can recite that your Dhoop Kinare ka OST Raat Kyun Dil Mein Teri.
I can't remember it. I
Okay.
am really, really bad. I'm seriously, I am terrible. I I don't know. I don't know. I think the
वो
only
गाना
song,
गाना हाँ गाना तो आता ही होगा कोई.
मुझे जो एक ही गाना है, I can send you a verse, not a verse, but it's just a saying. It's absolutely wonderful. I can send you that, and you can post it. It's one of my favorites. But otherwise,
चलो ठीक है. We'll let you go easy. You can just tell us two books that viewers that you recommend.
okay. I read something that I really enjoyed. A friend of mine gave me. It was called. See, now I can't remember the name. Something. A love letter, something.
Did that happen when you were shooting Dhoop Kinare and you were forgetting lines and Sarah was like after you?
Yeah, yeah. Oh my God, you should have seen Saira trying for me and Rahat to. Here it is. It's called the Rosie Project. There it
The
is.
Rosie
I know
Project.
the numbers in it, and that's something that I read recently, and I thoroughly enjoyed. And there was something else. Another
Hmm.
friend of mine gave me.
Hmm.
Oh, see, now I can't remember the name. Saira जब हमसे रोमांस करवाती थी ना, तो बहुत राहत was very upset कि क्या इंग्लिश मीडियम लोगों को ले आते हो जिनको उर्दू नहीं आती ठीक तरह, his introduction, and it was myself who was so and so someone asked Saira once in London, कहती है कि weren't you jealous that your husband was romancing this young? She's saying, jealous? She said, I was standing stick doing that.
I was making it happen. Oh, that is great.
Right now. I can't remember something I've said 2 minutes ago. I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay. Well, you told us about one book, that Rosie Project, I think.
Rosie Project was there was another one.
Hmm.
It was something Me Before You, Me Before.
Okay.
Yeah, Me Before You.
Okay. Okay.
I've read recently and I've thoroughly enjoyed them.
Okay. Chalo, good. Sherry, thank you so much for giving us so much time. It was so amazing to talk to you. The viewers are having a great time. They're sending you their love from all across the globe. एक आपकी कोई friend भी आई हुई है Seattle से. I forgot the name. She sent a message. Zabe, does it ring a bell? Zabe, I think. I'm trying to see if I can find someone from Seattle. She was, yeah, here we go. Where is it? यार पता नहीं कहाँ चला गया. वो कहकशां के भी show में she was there, so she was just saying hi. Zainab, yeah, Zainab Masood.
Zainab Masood, yeah.
Hi, yeah. So she's in the show. She's saying hi, and Kahkashan is also saying hi.
Love to everyone, and please, everyone, stay safe. Keep washing your hands. Look after yourselves. That's the only thing we can do right now. We can just look after ourselves, and by looking after ourselves, we're looking after other people. So
absolutely. Well, viewers, it was the amazing Marina Khan, who gave us an amazing, rerun of the time of Dhoop Kinare, Tanhaiya, and other fantastic plays she did. Thank you so much for joining, and stay safe, just like Marina said. Stay safe, stay inside, listen to doctors. Don't listen to anyone else, just listen to the doctor, what they're saying, because, it's not wise to listen to anyone else at this point. We will join you tomorrow for a very amazing comfort session with Soni Razdan, who is going to be joining us live from Mumbai. She's a class actor, and she's an actor par excellence, and she has done some amazing stage theater, stage dramas. Also, she has done some amazing films that we will talk about tomorrow. We'll listen to her story, and we will get your questions as well. So stay safe, stay inside. Eid Mubarak. Hi, Michelle. Thank you for joining from Italy. Thank you, Kamran. Thank you, Zainab. Thank you, Yasmin. Thank you, Nadia, Suleiman, for joining. I hope you had a good first day of Eid. Thank you, Sahar Khurshid. And thank you, Fareed Ahmed from India, and everyone else who have joined in. It was a great session. See you all tomorrow. Stay safe, stay inside. Assalamu alaikum.